Squirrel, I don't think you understand that I need to pick up the bird feeder, but you're eating all the bird food. Get away. Hi. I need to get the bird food, buddy. Can I pick up the bird feeder? I guess that's a no. But I'm gonna do it anyways. You better not bite me. You're a little pig. Oh my gosh, you fatty. Hello. I don't think you understand that you're supposed to be afraid. I'm gonna pick it up now. And you're gonna run away. Run away. Run away, please. Thank you. Jeez. Oh, his hair is stuck to the thing. That's so sad.